Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code. I am James here. How are you? We already discussed with same offenses relating to marriage. Okay. So same a topic. Okay. But under subtopic adultery. Okay. Today class I am going to discuss with adultery. What is the meaning that as per the IPC? Here, adultery means a person is guilty of adultery. A person is guilty of adultery if B, number 1, has sexual intercourse with a person. Number 2, who is and whom he knows or has reason to believe to be the wife of another man. Okay. Third point, without the consent or connivance of that man. And fourth point, such sexual intercourse not amounting to the offense of rape. Okay, those who did this type of offense, the IPC will give punishment. What punishment? What section? Section 497 of IPC, imprisonment for 5 years or fine or both. Okay. Here, what are the ingredients need to be fulfilled for adultery section? Okay. We have 5 ingredients as per the IPC. Number 1 is that the accused had sexual intercourse with the woman in question. Number 2, that she was lawfully married wife of another person. Number 3, that the accused knew or had reason to believe that she was the lawfully married wife of another man. Number 4, that the husband of woman did not consent of connive at such intercourse. Number 5, that the sexual intercourse so held did not amount to rape. Adultery may be defined shortly as consensual sexual intercourse between a married person and a person of the opposite sex during the subsistence of the marriage. Okay. And also, it is not necessary that adulterer should knew whose wife to woman is provided he knew she was a married woman. Okay, that's all. And also, I just wanted to explain the difference from English law. What is that one? Here, adultery is not an offense under the English law. Okay, it is only a tort for which the husband can sue the wrongdoer for damage suit. That's all. A woman is raped is not a guilty of adultery. Okay, the sexual intercourse would not be by consent. Adultery must be a consensual act. Okay, note that the woman is not punishable under this section also. Okay, students, this is all adultery. Okay, the small provision and small ingredients only. You can apply the section and ingredients also. Okay, students, I am going to discuss another topic but same heading. Okay, criminal elopement or seduction. The fourth point, no, the criminal offenses: criminal elopement, seduction. Here, this is separate topic. Okay, adultery topic is over. Now this is fourth offense of IPC, offense relating to marriage. This is fourth offense, criminal elopement, seduction. The offense is defined in section 498 of IPC, thus taking or enticing away any woman who is and is known or reasonably believed to be married, okay, from her husband or from any person having the care of her on behalf of her husband, with intent that she may have illicit intercourse with any man, or concealing or detaining with that intent any such woman. What is the punishment provision in this area? Okay, those who are did this type of this type of offense, the Indian Penal Code will be punished based on this ingredients. Here the imprisonment for 2 years or fine or both this offense, but I just wanted to give essential ingredients of this section 498 of IPC. Number 1 point, taking or enticing away or concealing or detaining. Okay, taking or enticing away or concealing or detaining. Number 2, with intent that she may have illicit intercourse with any person. Number 3, any woman who is or is known or believed to be the wife of any other man. Okay, the 4th ingredients of this section, from that man or from any person having the care of her on behalf of that man. Here the gist of the offense is enticement of woman away from her husband and not the enticement to any definite person. Okay, here whilst the wife is living with her husband, a man knowingly goes away with her in such a way as to deprive the husband of his control over her with the intent stated in the section. That I think is a taking from the husband within the meaning of the section. The wife complicity in the transaction is no more material on a charge under this section than it is on a charge of adultery. The word detains means keep back. Okay, detains means keep back. The keeping back need not necessarily be by physical force. It may be by persuasion or by allurements or by blandishments. Okay, now it's clear this portion. Very simple only. You can see the ingredients and punishment area, that's all. Okay, those who are violate that particular definition, automatically the law will be punished. That's all. So in modern days many people are doing like, we are seeing many papers, leading newspapers also, and in many police station and any family court also and criminal court also we are seeing this type of cases. Okay, so there is no purity in our society. So this is a reason the lawmaker, that is legislators, introduce through Indian Penal Code to insert this type of sections to punish the offenders. Okay, now it clear, students. Let's go to another topic of same subject, same subtopic. Okay, students, see you, bye. We'll meet you again next online classes. Take care, bye.